Welcome to day 2 of Grammar for Week 4-4. Continue to work on irregular past tense verbs. And I'm going to throw another wrench at you. There's a good idiom for you. Not only do you sometimes have to change the verb completely, but sometimes if it has a helping verb with it, it has to change again. So taking a look here, there are some special verbs that if you have the helping verb have, has, had, or others with it, it has to be changed again. So, for example, the verb come is present tense. But if you change it to past tense, we talked the other day that you have to change it to came. However, if you have the helping verb has with it, you're not going to say she has came. You have to say she has come. Or how about for do? You said the other day we changed it to past tense of did, but if you have the helping verb with it, you wouldn't say I had did my homework. You would say I had done my homework. Has, said are other examples. Have given, has gone, have seen, has run, has sung, and have begun. Sometimes I think these verbs are the ones that are the trickiest because we don't hear them as often. Here's a couple of examples for you to read. Go ahead and read the first sentence about Tina. We can't just change go to went if there's a helping verb. We have to say Tina has gone to the zoo. And now read about the tiger in the second sentence to yourself, please. Present tense would be see. Past tense is saw, but if you have the helping verb with it, you need to say the students have seen the tiger. Again, you have to change it completely. One thing you might notice as you work with these irregular verbs in the past tense that have helping verbs with them is that they often end in an N sound. So just something to be familiar with. Let's do a couple of examples here. The verb in parentheses is in present tense. I have a helping verb with it, so I need to make sure it agrees with the helping verb. My class had blank animals at the zoo. I'm not just going to change it to saw because we have the helping verb had. My class had seen the animals. Number 5, present tense is give, past tense is gave, except wait a second, we have a helping verb there. We had given money to help the zoo. Has to change to given. There's run, our present tense verb, and you told me we'd change it to ran as past tense, except wait a second, we've got a helping verb. I have ran doesn't work. You have to say, I have run. In this case, it stays the same. I have run to see the elephants. How about number 4? Sing is present tense. The other day you told me to change it to sang, except you've got a helping verb. So instead of saying we have sang, you have to say we have sung to wake the animals before. We had gone to the zoo last year too, and all of us had said we liked watching the seals. So really just kind of trying out different forms of the word and hearing which one makes the most sense. So this is what your practice sheet looks like for today. Your skill box gives you a really good list of different past tense irregular verbs, and then what they also look like with the helping verb, with no helping verb, and in present tense. So you've got that. We want the past tense form on all of the verbs here. So for number 1, we want to use the verb come. Should we say people blank to the zoo? How would you turn come into past tense? People came to the zoo. Be careful because there are some helping verbs in here, so you want to make sure you use the correct form when you're working with those helping verbs. Come on back when you're ready to correct. Thank you.